This video is a quick tour to show where all of the mill components are located. It's Google Maps for the mill. A large number of components were described in the "How much will it cost" video. The mill spindle and tool holding is driven by a DC motor that came with the mill. And you can just see the ClearPath NEMA 34 motor for the Z-axis sitting behind it. The Y-axis is driven by a ClearPath NEMA 23 motor. And to help the mill controller verify the mill position, there are limit switches on all axes. The Mist Buster is a DIY mist coolant system I built, more in an upcoming video. An enable switch for the tool touch-off probe that measures tool lengths, and another enable switch for the position probe that identifies the work coordinates, and a lot more. Work holding is provided by a vise and mighty grips. The controller electronics are housed in a separate enclosure that keeps the e-stop emergency switch easily accessible. The heart of the controller is the Centroid Acorn board, and plugged into that is the C86 ACCP board that connects the logic cables for the ClearPath hybrid servo motors. There are three power supplies: 175 volt DC for the ClearPath motors, 124 volt DC for the Acorn controller power, and 124 volt DC for the ClearPath motor backup, case fans, and the e-stop circuit. The DC contactor is protected by that small blue snubber capacitor, and the relay board handles all of the output signals like coolant control. The Power 4 hub allows easy power distribution for the ClearPath motors and backup logic, and mine is mounted on the outside of the mill enclosure. There is a touchscreen with an NUC PC on the back to run the CNC12 operator control software, and coolant storage and control for the Mist Buster are located in a separate control box. And that covers most of the components. Lots more to come in the build, so of course please subscribe, hit the like and notify buttons.